Mastering the Art of Wealth, a masculine approach to financial success. In the world of the modern, self-assured man, the pursuit of financial abundance is not just a goal, it's a mindset. The ability to make more money is not merely a matter of luck, but a reflection of your attitude, strategy, and determination. Here's how you, as a masculine man, can unleash your financial potential and achieve the success you deserve. 1. Cultivate a wealth-oriented mindset. The foundation of financial success lies in your mindset. Believe in your ability to create wealth. Think abundantly, focus on opportunities, and be open to learning. Embrace challenges as stepping stones toward prosperity, for a resilient mind can weather any financial storm. 2. Identify your passion and monetize it. Masculinity thrives when passion meets purpose. Identify what you love doing and find ways to monetize it. Whether it's a skill, a hobby, or a talent, there's a market waiting for your expertise. Invest in honing your craft and turn your passion into a lucrative income stream. 3. Embrace financial education. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about investments, savings, and the principles of financial growth. Understand the stock market, real estate, and other investment avenues. A masculine man is not afraid to delve into the intricacies of finance, making informed decisions that lead to wealth accumulation. 4. Network strategically. Your network is your net worth. Surround yourself with successful, like-minded individuals. Attend conferences, seminars, and networking events. Engage in meaningful conversations, seek mentorship, and collaborate with those who inspire you. A strong network opens doors to lucrative opportunities and valuable partnerships. 5. Develop multiple streams of income. Diversify your income streams. Relying solely on a single source of income is risky. Explore various avenues such as side businesses, investments, royalties, or online ventures. Building multiple streams of income not only ensures financial stability, but also accelerates your journey towards wealth. Master the art of negotiation. Negotiation is a masculine skill that can significantly impact your earnings. Develop your negotiating skills in both business and salary deals. Assert your value, be confident, and never settle for less than you deserve. A masculine man knows his worth and demands it. 7. Invest in self-improvement. Continuously invest in yourself. Enhance your skills, expand your knowledge, and work on your personal development. Whether it's leadership skills, communication abilities, or emotional intelligence, constant improvement not only enhances your earning potential, but also solidifies your position in the competitive market. In conclusion, the journey to financial success is a masculine endeavor that demands courage, intelligence, and unwavering determination. Embrace the challenge, adopt the right mindset, and take strategic actions. Remember, making more money is not just about the figures in your bank account. It's about the transformation of your mindset and the realization of your fullest potential as a masculine man. So go ahead, embrace your financial journey, and let your prosperity be a testament to your strength and resilience.